going on, guys? So, anybody know what this thing is? Oh yeah, this is the Losi XXXT Matt Francis edition. I know it don't look like it because it has yellow wheels and tires, but guess what? I was able to find some on eBay because I don't know what I did with my old ones. I put it in storage years ago. Brand new tires as well. So I'm gonna mount them up here eventually. But yeah, the thing's sweet, man. Up there's my original box, actually. Yeah. I did take, like I said, some of the red parts off. Took the red wheels are missing and the red guard back here, the motor guard. I think that's what it was called. So I need to find one of them still. But yeah, it runs good. I actually recently installed a brushless system in there, and I dialed back the rates in my DX5 Rugged. I dialed back the rates to like 60%, so it ain't too much power on this old transmission. But it's been handling it pretty well, and I'm just running like a 3S 2200 pack in there, and it's been running great. Just ran it yesterday. That's why it's all dirty. But I'm gonna take it out now and for a rip, show you how this thing performs. Does pretty good actually. So let's get to it. There she is, guys, ready to rip. You can really hear that ESC fan, it's pretty loud. Look at this beauty though. She's a beauty and she's a classic. All right, guys, I'm going to take it easy on the low end because this loose dirt, really loose dirt, so it'll definitely want to spin out on the low end if I punch it. So see how it wants to spin out if I give it too much power. There she goes, baby. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, she's a classic. Yeah, see how she wants to, I'm giving it too much, a little too much. And she jumps great off these jumps, honestly. Yeah, take it easy on the low end. Once I get going, it's fine. Now, if I could spray down this dirt a little bit, it'd be perfect. It'd have good traction. Now, guys, like I said, I dialed down my throttle race to 60% with this brushless system, so it ain't full power, but that's plenty of power, man. Plenty of power. Let me hit this jump. Look at that. I think jump's great. Losi XXXT. Oh yeah. It's fun, man. It's still fun. For all these years, it's still fun. It's freaking awesome. Be even better if I had a little more traction. Just a little more traction. A little more traction on that low end. Got the slipper pretty, not crazy tight. It's a little loose. Thing's awesome. I think that's plenty of speed for this stadium truck. Look at it. Oh, so cool, man. So cool. Oh shoot, it still runs great. Look at that. This thing would be awesome if this was a little damp. If the dirt was damp just a little bit, get a little more traction. But look at it. It's running beautiful, man. Woo! See, punched it too hard, it spins out. It's fun. Two-wheel drive, man. You gotta love the challenge of a two-wheel drive buggy, especially in loose dirt like this. I think that's plenty of speed. Like I said, oh shoot. I dialed it down. Looks like one of my tires may be a little wobbly. I dialed it down 60%. If I were to run this at 100%, probably just be like ridiculous power. I won't be able to control it at all in this dirt. Look at that thing, man. It's so awesome. Let's get some different angles here. Let's jump this angle. Woohoo! Ha ha! The old XXXT. Oh, came off a little crooked. I've been running this thing like crazy lately, guys. I think I got about probably like 10 packs through it last couple, well, probably in the last month I got about 10 packs through it. Like I said, that little 2200 3S pack does good. It lasts a good 10 minutes, which is plenty for me. I'm wondering if these modern tires will fit these rims. If I can get some like Proline hole shots. Someone recommended them on my last video for my my new Losi XXXT. I was asking what tires I should put on this. And they were saying, oh yeah, they were saying the hole shots. So I got them, and yeah, they're awesome. Yeah, this tire is, I need to re-glue this. Yeah, it looks like it's popping off there. These tires are pretty darn old. Looks like I need a little glue for that tire. That's what all that noise was. It was a little off balance because of that. Oh, went behind me. So fun. Let's hit this jump one more time. Look at that. Jump's great. The suspension on this is super smooth and plush too. Suspension's awesome on it. Yeah, just need to fix that tire. That just happened this run. Hasn't been done. It didn't do that before. Yeah, I think that's plenty of power, guys. What do you think? Plenty of power. I forget what kV that motor was. Oh shoot, I can't remember. I think it was 4,000 kV or something. So yeah, like I said, I dialed it back in my Spectrum DX5 Rugged, the throttle rates. Just dialed it back to 60%, so you're not getting that full power. You don't rip out the transmission or anything. Awesome. Yeah, if this was like a clay surface or a hard packed surface that wasn't dusty and loamy, this thing would perform beautiful, because it's running pretty good here. Oh shoot, it's awesome. It's a beautiful truck too. Oh, my body's pretty beat up. I like to get a new one, a new body painted like that, a replica of the Matt Francis. Be awesome. Look at this thing, dude. Tell me that thing ain't sweet. Just got a standard servo in there, nothing fancy. Got that low end cog, that's the only thing. Sometimes you get the cog of the motor. No big deal though. It jumps great, it really does. Look at this. Oh, look out. Oh man, it's awesome. You get it now, you gotta hit that steering, you gotta get that steering the opposite way when it's turning. If you could get that rate dialed in, oh shoot, it'd be great. All right guys, I'm gonna end it there. Love this truck. Love it, love it, love it. Look at this baby. Tell me that thing ain't cool. Get the dust out of it. Woo! Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that run of my old school Losi XXXT Matt Francis edition truck. Till next time, the RC Element out.